Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get AdBlock on Chrome. For Android, first thing, Chrome for Android does not support extensions like desktop Chrome. You will need to use a third-party browser that supports AdBlock. Go to your Play Store and search for Kiwi. Once installed, open the app and follow the setup prompts. After installation, go to Kiwi extension and just select any blocker, or you can just search for the blocker on the Kiwi. In my case, as you can see, I have already enabled uBlock origin. That's it. We set up ad blocking on Chrome, Android by using a browser that supports extensions, installing AdBlock, and enabling it to block ads while browsing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video